to our first online PDW lesson. Now, lots of you ask me, what does PDW stand for? Well, can you remember? If you can, shout it at your screen now. Yes, that's right. PDW stands for Personal Development and Wellbeing. Fantastic, well done. So last term, we looked at friendship, didn't we? This time, we're going to be starting a new topic on feelings, okay? And to start this topic, we're going to be reading a very special book. Before we do that, I would like you to have a think of all the different feelings that you can think of, okay? So pause the video and have a think to yourself or talk to the person you're with, okay? Right, yeah, too. How many feelings did you manage to think of? Well, I thought of sad, happy, angry, scared, worried, okay? It's lots of different feelings. Maybe you can feel calm, okay? And I'm sure you thought of a lot more than I did. So well done. Shall I introduce you to the book? So the book is called The Colour Monster, okay? Why do you think the book might be called The Colour Monster? Why is the monster called The Colour Monster? Pause the video now and have a think. Okay, shall we see if you were right? So let's start our book. This is my friend, the Colour Monster. Today he's all mixed up and very confused. He doesn't know why. Wonder why he's all confused. Why do you think he's all confused? Let's find out. Look at you. You're all over the place. You see him, all the different colours on him. They're all mixed up. Now, what's happening on this page? We've got the Colour Monster. And look, the girl is leading him somewhere. Maybe she's leading him to help him. That's very kind. How would you feel if someone was being kind like that to you and leading you to help you? I'm sure you'd feel very happy, wouldn't you? Now, that's because your feelings are all stirred together. So your colours are too. Okay, so if you guessed that the colours represented different feelings, then you were right. Well done. So we've got yellow, we've got blue, red, green. What do you think all these different colours represent? Which feeling do you think they represent? Pause the video now and have a think. Okay, shall we find out if you were right? I know. Let's put each feeling in a different jar so we can look at it more closely. I can help if you like. Okay, so she's going to put all the feelings in a different jar so they can look at them individually. Okay, and work out what's wrong. Now, the first colour is yellow. What did you guess that the yellow stood for in the book? So yellow is happiness. It shines yellow like the sun and twinkles like the stars. You feel bright and light. You laugh, you jump, you dance. You want to share that feeling with everyone. Okay, so we know what makes us happy. But what do you think is making the Colour Monster happy? Okay, pause the video now and have a think. Okay, year two, what did you think? Well, I thought he might be happy because maybe he spent some time with his family. Or maybe he's happy just because the little girl is helping him. Okay, let's move on to the next colour. The next colour, we've got blue. Now, you might have had a different idea, but what do you think the idea is in the book? What colour? This is sadness. It's gentle like a blue rainy day. Sadness can make you cry. It can make you feel alone. But if you're sad, I'll hold your hand. Oh, that's very kind of her again, isn't it? So blue in this book represents sadness. Okay, now we know what makes us sad, but what do you think made the Colour Monster sad? Pause the video and have a think. Okay, what did you think? Well, I thought that maybe someone had said something that wasn't very nice to the Colour Monster. We all know that makes us feel a little bit sad, doesn't it? Okay, let's move on. The next colour we've got is red. Now, what do you think red represents? Let's find out. This is anger. It blazes red like fire. Anger can make you want to stomp your feet. And what else can it make you want to do? And roar and shout, it's not there. Okay, so the red represents anger. Now, can you guess why the Colour Monster is angry? Pause the video and have a think. Okay, year two, shall I tell you what I thought? So I thought the Colour Monster might be angry because maybe his brother or his sister has taken his toys and they won't give them back. That can make us angry, can't it? Okay, should we move on to the next colour? So the next colour is black. What do you think the black represents? You might have a different idea. So in the book, this is fear. It is black, like the night. So at night it's dark, isn't it? And some people might be scared of the dark and hides in shadows like a scaredy cat. Okay. Being afraid can make you feel very small and alone. If you're scared, tell me why and we'll walk through the forest together. Okay, so why do you think the colour monster might be scared? Okay, shall I tell you what I thought? So I thought he might be scared because maybe he's just seen a spider. Okay, maybe he's scared of spiders. It's made him jump and all scared. So that's what I thought. Maybe he thought of something different. Now, this is calm. So the green represents calm. It's quiet like the trees and soft like leaves. Now you're calm. You breathe slowly and deeply. Ah, you feel at peace. Now, what can make us feel calm? Well, I know that when I listen to calm music, it makes me feel calm. But why do you think the colour monster feels calm? Have a look at the picture. Pause the video and have a think. Right, let's see what you guessed. So I thought the colour monster might feel calm because he's on a hammock, swinging back and forth from one side to the other, which can make you feel very relaxed and therefore very calm. So there you go. Now, there, we've finished. Here are your feelings, and each one has a different colour. Okay. Let's look at them together. Okay, so there's all the different feelings. Can you remember in the book what they all represent? Okay, well done. So, but what's this? You look different, colour monster. How do you feel now? No, everything's pink. How do you think he feels? Pause the video and have a think. Okay, shall we see if you were right? So let's have a look at him on the next page. Look, he's got all hearts round him. So therefore, the pink represents the feeling that he feels loved, okay? And why does he feel loved? Yes, that's right, it's because the girl helped him. The girl helped him to sort out his feelings. Okay, what a lovely story. So now we've worked out why the colour monster feels different feelings. But what I'd like you to do is have a look at the worksheet, Year 2, PDW, 14th of January resource, okay? And on the worksheet, you have some jars. Now, it has a different feeling written at the bottom of each one. And you need to decide which colour you would think, because you might not think the same as this book, but you might think a different colour represents a different feeling. Okay, so you need to choose your colour, and then in the jar, you need to draw what makes you feel that feeling, okay? So for example, for me, with the happy jar, now, what colour makes me feel happy? I would say orange, okay? So I choose orange for my happy colour. And I would draw a picture maybe of my dog or of my family because that makes me feel happy. Now, what colour makes me feel calm? I think I agree with the book. I'd say green makes me feel calm. And in that jar, I would probably draw some musical notes because I like listening to calm music and that makes me feel calm. Okay, so it's completely up to you. You can pick your own colours and you can say what makes you feel calm. So draw me little pictures. If you can label them so I know what they are, that would be brilliant. Now, I look forward to our next PDW lesson, okay? Have a lovely rest of your day. Bye.